Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you the unboxing video of Black & Decker BMT 126C hand tool kit made with a good plastic. It looks like very solid, so it is going to be a long duration. If in case you are not using this briefcase also, it means it's a toolkit, there is no issue with that. It is going to be a long durable. It is a great product guys. If you want, you can use for your daily household usage, or else if you are a professional, you see it is going to be very worthwhile. Let us see what is inside in this box. See, look at this, the way the tools has been arranged in this box. It's very awesome. So look at this, the screwdrivers, the connectors, and the extra they have given the attachments like screws and nuts and bolts. One by one we will see. First we will see the screwdriver bit set, how it is going to be looks like. The way it is going to be awesome, plastic and everything. So we can see the screwdriver bit set. There you go, you can see all kind of a screwdrivers, like basis on your requirement you can use the screwdriver set. This by using this we can screw, we can tighten the screws basis on our requirements. We can use this one, and next one we are going to see the spanner set. It's a kind of a modern spanner set. So look at the way they have arranged properly. It has been a very good product for you for your daily usage also. Look at this, the way the metal, and it is made with a pure stainless steel, so there is no, it is a rust proof. They have given the rust proof guarantee for the Black & Decker. So no need to worry on this. If you, in case you are not using this product for a long time in your home, if you are keeping it outside, there is no rust problem. See, now the next one is going to be the chopper. Chopper is nothing but a blade. We can, by using this, we can cut, and we can cut that, and we can chop the wire and everything we can use by using this. It's made with a solid plastic and made with a good stainless steel plate. So how it is going to be arranging properly, we can see, we can arrange this in a proper way. And the next one is going to be the screwdriver. See, the plastic material, and it is made with a rubber grip, so there is no need to worry. If in case if you are doing work, if your hand is wet, there is no need to worry on this. It is going to be a problem. It is of this grip, very good product. It will fix in your hand. If in case your hand is wet also, there is no slippery problem. You can properly screw or unscrew the screws is very well. And another one is, this is going to be a star screwdriver. This is also looks like a very good compact, and it is made with a better, it is going to be a PH2 into 100 screwdriver. So this is nothing but a star connector. If you want to use in any electronic devices to unscrew or to repair, then you can use. How it looks like this, it's a very amazing product from Black & Decker. And now we can see the small kind of a connectors which we can use or unscrew for the small kind of a devices, small ties like that only. It is also a very good product. See, it looks like small, but it's made with a good plastic and good stainless steel, so there is no need to worry or a broken or nothing is going to be happening with this product. Yeah, even I am also using these products, so nothing is going to be happening. It's a very good material, and you can use in all your regular usage. If in case you are a professional also, there is no problem. You can use for your daily usage. This box a total of 4 type of connectors for 4 different usages. It depends upon your usage. You can use this product in a very proper way, so nothing is going to be happening. And they have given a rust proof guarantee, so if in case you are not using the product for a long time also, there is no problem for a rusty. See how properly they have fixed in this. It is a nice design for fixing the tool. Each and every tool we can fix in a proper way, so there is no problem. Again, you can see the proper way how they have built. And with this toolkit, they have given extra screws and some nuts, bolts. So if you want, you can use for this. This is also a good compact box. They have plastic box they have given. So Next we can see the guys, see how it is looks like. So it has been fixed in the box in a very proper way. If you are traveling also, there is no use, no need to worry on this. Now next we can see in this box, in the second side of this box, we can see the hacksaw blade. Hacksaw blade, everything we know, the hacksaw blade we can use for our daily usage. We can cut the pipes and we can repair the pipes also by using this. And now we can see the hammers and spanner and one torch they have provided. See how the spanner is looks like, and the one tape, it is a 3mm to 10mm tape. See how the torch is looks like. By using, we can insert the two batteries of this in this torch, and we can use for any area while we are using in the while we are repairing the electronic products. If any dark area there, by using this we can do this. The spanner is also like looks like it's made with a complete stainless steel, so there is no need to worry on this. It is a 8-inch 200mm spanner. See now how we can fix this in this box. So it's a properly locking, so there is no need to worry on this if in case you are traveling. Now next we can look the hammer. It is also made good with a better quality and with a rubber grip, so there is no kind of a stuff that we are using the wooden grip. This is going to be a wooden, this is going to be a stainless steel grip with a proper rubber grip, and this is going to be the L type of things we can use for tight or removing the angular screws in electronics. There is a different sizes of L screws they have given, angular screws which we can sell. That this is going to be also a very good product for a professional or a personal usage also. Now see how I can fix it properly. Now when it comes on a hacksaw blade, now it is also made with a good grip, so it is looks like a smaller. Trust me guys, it is also a worthable thing for you people. So and next it comes on a pliers. This is a nose plier which we can use for tightening the screws, to cut the wires and everything. So how, see like how I am fixing this, it is also a very good product. Next we will see the cutting plier. Everyone knows that what is the usage of cutting plier and our regular usage as well as in as a professional usage also. Now when the last thing we can see that tape. This is going to be the measurement tape which we can use for to measure that, and to if you want to use any electrical work or a plumber work, any wooden work, if you want to take the measurements, we can take the measurements. This is also a very good product from Black Plus Decker, and it is going to be made with a good proper iron, and it is stainless steel. So 3mm 10 inches tape, this is also a good product, and it's a good quality material which we can use in our daily basis, as well as if in case you are a professional, this is also a very good product. Now see guys how the all the tools and the box, inside the box, how the box looks like. This is a very good product, right guys? And that's all for this video. If you really like this video, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.